Hey guys, what's up? So in this video we will be unboxing the new BOYA BY M1. So this is the M1 version from BOYA microphone. Stay with me to know what's in the box. So guys, here we have a invoice. The cost of this BOYA BY-M1 is around 700 rupees, and this is the BOYA BY-M1 box with features and specifications mentioned behind the box. This is the box looks like. Let's quickly open the box. Guys, the BOYA BY-M1 is compatible with smartphones, cam recorders, DSLR, audio recorders and PC. It has a clip-on mic for smartphones. Noise cancellation. We have an electric condenser as well. So inside the box we have the microphone itself with a awesome pouch. This looks really premium, guys. And we have a warranty card and some documentation as well. And this is the warranty card, I guess so. And we have a stickers as well, guys. This looks really good. Yeah, and the pouch looks really awesome. And there is a warranty card inside the box, and we have a document here which is mentioned both in English and I guess only English. Okay, let's see what's there inside the pouch, guys. So here it is, the BOYA BY-M1 microphone itself. It's in black in color. We have some sticker as well. Yeah, I will check it later. And we have some small plastic bag. And let's check what is there inside the plastic bag as well. I think we have some accessories for BOYA BY-M1 microphone. So we have here, guys, foam windshield for the microphone, so it's install that later. And we have a battery as well, and we have a pin adapter, and we have a clip here which fits on to the BOYA BY-M1 microphone. You can clip it on to your t-shirt, shirt, anywhere while recording. Okay, yeah, let's check this BOYA BY-M1 microphone. Yeah, guys, we have a very lengthy cable, around 5 meters of cable, and the mic with 3.5 mm jack connector. So foam windshield, we'll just put it on and see how it looks. this weight is around 18 grams. So the clip is on to the microphone, and let's open the electric condenser, which has some noise cancellation as well. Frequency range is between 65 Hz to 18, and signal noise cancellation is around 74 decibel. Yeah guys, I guess we need to put a battery here inside in order to work. So we have a small plastic bag where the battery has been given inside the box, so you don't have to buy a separate battery for it. You can just put this battery and start using the BOYA BY-M1 microphone. So let's put the small battery into the condenser. The battery is LR44 battery. Yeah, fits in really good. So after putting in the battery, we have to close it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and notification bell and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.